What should you wear when you're getting your vaccination done? If it's just to got your attention, no matter what you wear, just get your vaccination done. Do carry your Aadhaar card with you to avoid any further complications, or for identity purpose just carry your Aadhaar card and also a small passport size photograph. Do not remove your mask for anything, even for a selfie or for a webcam photo at the vaccination center. Even if they do ask you for government purpose reasons, just politely deny it and ask them to get the photo with the mask on. मास्क अप होने का टाइम जा चुका है. इंस्टेड इट इज़ द टाइम टू डबल मास्क अप. येस, if you're going to the vaccination center or the hospital for vaccination, do not forget to double mask up. डबल मास्क अप का मतलब है 2 मास्क पहन के जाना है. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू वेयर ग्लव्स. येस, सर्जिकल ग्लव्स जो आते हैं वो आपको ज़रूर पहनने हैं. और वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर से जब आप निकल रहे हों, डो नॉट फॉरगेट टू डिस्कार्ड दोज ग्लव्स इन द डस्टबिन. People who wear surgical gloves are less likely to touch their face and nose. Do carry a sanitizer with you, even if you're double masked up and you are wearing gloves, no matter what, but carry a sanitizer with you and also use it. And avoid touching people and avoid talking to people. We have a tendency, whenever there is a gathering, we have a tendency to start talking, even they are strangers. So please avoid talking to strangers or having unnecessary conversations at the vaccination center. प्लीज़ अवॉइड सेल्फीज़ एट द वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर. उसके लिए भी मास्क मत उतारना प्लीज़. अगर सेल्फी लेनी ही है, गेट द सेल्फी विद द मास्क ऑन. एंड आफ्टर यू डू इट, प्लीज़ सैनिटाइज योर फोन एज वेल. Please avoid touching your face and mouth even if you are wearing the gloves. Do not, I mean in any case, do not use the washrooms in the hospitals. Please avoid going to the loo in the vaccination center. जब आप घर से निकल रहे हों उसके पहले ही वॉशरूम यूज़ करके जाइए. ऑल्सो डो नॉट फॉरगेट टू कीप योर सेल्फ हाइड्रेटेड. जस्ट कैरी अ वाटर बॉटल विथ यू. At the vaccination center, if they offer you some tea or coffee or biscuits, kindly politely avoid it. You just can't imagine how many hands are going to touch that. ऐसा ना हो वैक्सीन से पहले ही कोविड हो जाए. इन सारी बातों का आप ध्यान रखेंगे तो आप अपना बचाव बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हैं. इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है. वैक्सीन लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. गेट योर 2 shots डन प्लीज़. अवॉइड गोइंग आउट. जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर फैमिली. I heard there is a news of the third wave. Yes, the third wave is coming soon. You all know very well how bad the situation is, right? You don't have beds. We don't have cylinders. We don't have injections. Even if we get, nobody has a surety whether the vaccine we are getting, whether the injection we are getting, the lifesaver injections are also fake. Yes, you heard me right. So we don't know what is going to happen. Just take care of yourself and your family. The figures are really very disturbing. Those figures have started turning into names of the people we know, names of our loved ones. Yes, this virus has badly affected our mental health, physically, mentally, emotionally. We all are exhausted. We are just caged up in our homes. We have nowhere to go. We are so helpless. We can't even help our neighbor who is suffering. We can't help ourselves. Tough time, tough measures. I'll meet you in my another one. If you do like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see ya.